Almost 22 billion pairs of shoes are dumped into landfills each year, simply because they're out of style or they just become unwearable. Now the burning question is, what happens to these discarded pairs? They just end up in the dump yards. When the numbers are so high, it is safe to say the time for preaching is gone. Actions are to be taken. At Acme, we produce 4 million pairs annually. Our vision is not just to create ace products, but also to reduce raw materials waste, carbon footprint, and overall global waste. We don't just want to make shoes, but build an ecosystem of sustainability. At Acme, we strictly adhere to the 3 R's: reduce, reuse, and recycle thoroughly. We ensure we are not just looking after waste disposal, but also reducing and recycling our in-process waste and the post-consumer non-moving or aged stocks. Our aim has always been to cut down waste right from the beginning. The reduction in our in-process waste procedure starts with using technologies such as Red21 software to design shoes with optimum consumption. In fact, our SAP system ensures the use of the same material for various models to optimize purchases. This ensures we are not consuming any extra material other than what is needed. We do not just stop there. Our focus is also to incorporate sustainable materials wherever possible. We buy these from our Spanish associate Moron and other local partners. Recycled materials like microfiber, lining, insocks, insole, lace, thread, and paper are used in our production. Further, our recycling process is divided into wastes which we upcycle in-house at our factories. The rest are recycled with the association of our recycling associates. At our factories, we upcycle PU midsole of 0.5 density or single density waste, which is reused as PVC foam, and PVC small granules are mixed with virgin PVC. For all the other materials that are to be processed, we hand them over to our trusted recycling partners. Our recycling associates help us transform each and every produced waste into something constructively useful. Textile fabric and foam are converted into bonded foam. Leather scraps are processed into leather boards and animal feeds. Our 0.9 density PU outsoles are shipped off to BASF and Rimble for polyol extraction. And the paper? We send it to certified mills for reuse, keeping the cycle going. But our commitment to sustainability and going green doesn't take a halt here. The proof is our future collaboration with FFG in the pipeline. In the upcoming years, we are planning to carry our sustainable vision to a higher stature. With the help of FFG machines, we plan to streamline our waste segregation and recycling process. It aims to focus on post-consumer waste and non-moving or aged stocks by the 3 R's of reuse, reduce, and recycle. After our collaboration with FFG, we plan to continue our in-house process of reusing PVC waste and recycling PU midsoles. We also plan to recycle leather into leather sheets at our factories after our collaboration with FFG. After that, we are outsourcing toe caps to reuse and reduce the waste we produce. By processing leather, they used further in poultry and fish feeds, converting foam and insoles into bonded foam, transforming our 0.9 density PU outsoles and insocks to go to BASF and Rimble for polyol extraction. Fasteners, they're set to send for metal recycling to ensure nothing is wasted. Lace waste produced is outsourced, which are recycled for reusing purposes. At Acme, we're not only about reducing waste, but also transforming waste into wonder. Because at Acme, we think beyond awareness. We go for action.